This is Laura from Gardening Know-How, and today I'm going to show you how to bring an overgrown red twig dogwood back to life. Rejuvenation pruning is a way of cutting back shrubs that have been neglected or gotten out of control. One bush that responds well to this type of pruning is the red twig dogwood. It's easy to tell when these bushes have been ignored because their radiant red stems turn woody and gray. Only young, new growth is that vibrant shade that brightens up the winter landscape. There are two ways to prune for rejuvenation. The first method is a 3-year process, but allows your dogwood to maintain its height and some blooms. You can see where I started the process last year. Each year, cut back 1/3 of the old woody branches, plus any branches that are growing down, towards the center, or crossing other limbs. I'm taking half of the old branches left from last year, and next winter I'll remove the final stems. Timing is very important for proper pruning. You should cut summer blooming shrubs in late winter or early spring before buds open. An easy way to remember is to prune sometime after the Super Bowl, but before St. Patrick's Day. Of course, bloom times vary depending on location, so check your growing zone before making any cuts. Always make sure to use clean, sharp tools. My old loppers made cutting those thick, woody stems pretty difficult. The second method is not for the faint of heart. If your shrub is totally out of control, like mine, it's time to prune those branches to the ground. I was scared last year of cutting too much and killing my dogwood, but it grew bigger than ever. For a total rejuvenation job, cut branches as close to the ground as you can. Don't be afraid. Your shrub will grow back happier and healthier. Other bushes that respond well to renewal pruning are Spirea, lilac, privet, and viburnum. Just remember, spring flowering shrubs like weigela and forsythia bloom on old wood, so wait until flowers have faded to make cuts on spring bloomers. New growth will appear this year, and by next winter, your red twig dogwood will look something like this. Good luck and good gardening.